Somebody to love. Give me a body to kiss. I love